You're gonna be away for a whole week?
Yes, but don't touch anything!
I need to do the marketing. Hey! It's perfect. The greatest digital advert ever. Shy! Can you print this for me? I have to get these into people's phones. Digital marketing! Wait right there. Hi! Wait, I need to show you my marketing! Digital marketing! Digital marketing! Digital marketing! Digital marketing! Digital marketing!
You, sir, are an absolute genius. I want to offer you $10 million for the patent of this fantastic marketing strategy.
I'm in.
Hey Tom, anything happen while I was away?
Not really.
Tom, where do you want this 10-foot golden statue of you?
What?
What?